Hello, today we will guide you through how to add moving averages to Yahoo Finance charts. Moving averages are a simple way to smooth out price action and see the underlying trend more clearly, and Yahoo Finance makes them easy to add to any chart. Start by opening your web browser and going to finance.yahoo.com. On the home page, look for the search bar at the top. Type the ticker symbol of the stock, ETF, or index you want to analyze and press enter. This takes you to the quote page, where you'll see a small chart and key stats. Next, open the full featured chart. Find the advanced chart option near the main price chart and click it. This loads a larger interactive view with more tools and settings. Give it a moment to load. Once it does, your price chart will appear center stage. Now look to the upper right area of the chart for the indicators control. This is where you'll add technical studies. Click Indicators to open the Indicators panel. A search field will appear at the top of that panel, along with a list of available studies. In the search field, type Moving Average. You'll see Moving Average appear in the results. Click Moving Average to add it to your chart. As soon as you do, a line will appear over the price data, and the settings panel for this indicator will be visible so you can fine-tune it. Find the period field in the settings. This number determines how many bars the moving average uses to calculate the line. For example, 50 is common for an intermediate trend, while 200 is often used to show a longer-term trend. Type the period you want into the field. Keep in mind that the meaning of period depends on your chart's time frame. On a daily chart, 50 means 50 trading days. On an intraday chart, 50 means 50 bars at the selected interval. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Done. Your moving average will now be applied to the chart and will update automatically as you change symbols or time frames. If the line is hard to see, you can reopen indicators later to adjust its style or color. That's it. You've navigated to Yahoo Finance. Open the advanced chart, use the indicators menu, search for moving average, set your preferred period, and confirm your changes. With this in place, you'll be able to quickly gauge trend direction, spot potential support and resistance around the average, and compare price to a smooth benchmark as you review different markets.